This project is LIFI based two-way data and audio communication. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. There are two parts. Each part acts like as a transceiver, means it can transmit and receive data and audio. Here each part contains LIFI driver board along with solar panel and LED lights, which is connected to Arduino through UART port. Also, each side Arduino connected to laptop through USB to serial cable. On both sides we have connected to laptop. Here we have to open serial terminal on both sides. When we type anything in serial terminal, then data transmits and displaying on LCD. Now power on this. Here we have XTU serial software. Now open it. Here it is showing serial comport 7 and baud rate is 1200. Now open the terminal. Again we have to open the XTU serial software. Here we have to select the comport 9 and open the terminal. Here we have to keep the switches in data mode on both sides. Then data transmitted when LIFI modes are in data mode. Here both TX and RX should be placed face to face like this. Sometimes external light may affect on communication, so be aware to external light effect. For example, if you are giving any data from this side, we can see on LCD to here. We can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the same time, we are giving any data from this side, then that data will send to the receiver part. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now coming to the audio mode, when we keep in audio mode by changing these switches. Now we have to keep in these switches in audio mode. In audio mode on both sides we have to audio cables and speakers. Audio cables connect to laptop while playing audio. By playing any song, on the other side it will playing through speaker. We can see on other side also. By playing audio on LCD, audio format text may coming.